In the first year, we have this module called co-creative entrepreneurship, which is basically students come up with a company and actual products and they sell it for 10 weeks. And you actually need to come up with your capital, you have shareholders, and you have regular business meetings as well. So it's very formal. And things like that help me prepare for real life business circumstances. And that's something that not a lot of business schools have, because you're immediately applying your skills to real life. Also the fact during that processes, there are also people who follow their business ideas later on. And then your classmates today can also be future CEO. And then you're still in contact with them later on and you expand your networks even more. In the fourth year of our study, we have to do an internship because it's a mandatory thing. And then after the internship, you get to write your thesis and then graduate. Normally, we also have vacancy posted on our school website. And we also have the Facebook group for students where our students post their vacancies. For example, if they're leaving, then they just post the ads on the Facebook group saying, okay guys, like I work here and now they're looking for another intern because I'm leaving, of course. And then if you want, you can apply for it and then write a recommendation letter for you. So that's usually how people find internships. Real hands-on experience. For example, during the summer school I had from AUAS, they made me work with MTV in the Netherlands. So it's actually based on the theory that you learned at school, you can actually apply to straight away to real life. And like I said, in the first year, starting from already in the first year, we have this module CCE where you can actually come up with a product and then sell it. Right now I'm working for a non-profit organization as well, so I would just try to develop my CV as much as possible and possibly take a Dutch course as well so that I can have better advantage when I look for internship in the fourth year. And I don't know if I'll be looking for internships abroad, but I'm just trying to be open to all the possibilities at the moment. I went to an event called Student Talk where student entrepreneurs were speakers and they talk about their experience developing the business or the struggles that they had to face and stuff. And after the talk, I got to talk with the CEO, the founder of this non-profit organization called Refugees Forward. And then afterwards, I started working with them, developing programs for the newcomers and the students. And now actually in a week, we're launching this new program called Incubator Program, where for 3 months, newcomers and students and coaches from big companies like Google or Uber are coaching them to develop their business ideas.